Well, we all start losing collagen in our face in our 20s. I know, right? It isn't fair. And it doesn't get better from there. But the good news is there are 4 proven ways to rebuild the collagen in your face, and I'm going to be sharing that with you in today's video. Well, hey everybody, welcome back. You know, collagen loss in the face, in the skin happens to all of us. Nobody is immune. But you actually can restore a lot of that collagen loss without invasive procedures. That's what today's video is about, so let's dive right in. Now, collagen is the most abundant protein in your body and skin. I mean, it is in everything and it's everywhere. And producing as much of it as long as you can is really super important if you really care about the aging process and how your skin looks. And you really can see the effects of its decline in your face, and nobody wants that. So yes, collagen in the body, it's a structural protein, it holds everything together. But that begs the question, is it really possible to restore and rebuild collagen, especially in the areas of the face? And yay, yes it is. Luckily, there are several ways to enhance collagen production. They're super easy, and the first one out of the bunch is supplementation. Collagen supplements have become very popular lately, but there is some confusion about how to apply them and how they work. By supplementation, I'm talking about including some sort of supplement in your diet. We refer to these as collagen peptides, which are short-chain amino acids that once absorbed in the body are taken to the various organs, including your skin, and are used for collagen production and repair. And of course, we hear about the anecdotal benefits from taking collagen peptides, such as nail and hair growth, beneficial hydration of the skin, easing of osteoarthritis. And you guys who follow the channel know how much I like studies and clinical research, and that research has continued to show these benefits as real for people who take them in improving collagen production and the overall health of their skin. In fact, a recent double-blind, randomized, placebo-controlled study showed that participants had 7 times the moisture levels in their skin that took the collagen peptides versus those who did not, which backs up what my own experience was in taking them. Now, I take Vital Proteins, hydrolyzed collagen peptides. I take them once daily in my tea, and I plan to continue to do so because I do see the benefits, and it's really great to see these studies coming out and proving what a lot of us have been saying for the last several years, that additional amino acids supplied to the body, made bioavailable, can really help improve things. Now, hydrolyzed collagen peptides usually come from animal protein. I know a lot of you guys are vegan. There are vegan options like Zolt. I will put in the video description box below any kind of product suggestion, including these that I'm talking about today, so you can check them out for yourself at the end of the video. Now, of course, there are other ingredients that you need to consider for supplementation. One of those is vitamin C. It's very necessary for the synthesis of collagen and collagen production. And vitamin E, which is a fat-soluble vitamin, is important for cross-linking of those fibroblasts. Both are vital nutrients for the production of collagen. Then there's astaxanthin, a carotenoid that I've talked about here on the channel before that provides superpowered antioxidant protection for your collagen and elastin and your skin itself, even helping protect itself from UVB and UVA light. Then there are the skin care topical ingredients that can really spur collagen production and help support the entire process while allowing your products that you're currently using to work even better. The thing you need to understand about collagen is the collagen molecule itself is too big to be absorbed into the skin and do any good. However, it is a great hydrator in moisturizers. So if you see collagen listed in a product, it means that it is going to be a hydrating product, not necessarily supportive of collagen production, but nothing wrong with using that. However, collagen peptides, again, amino acids in the form of serums, are very helpful as they are able to be absorbed down into the upper layers of the skin, providing extra support for the collagen that you are producing, helping to keep it from degrading as quickly, and again, providing some of that extra support against UVA, UVB, sunlight, because we do want to be doing everything we can to help protect the skin from damage from the sun. That does not mean collagen peptides are a replacement for sunscreen. Retinol or Bakuchiol. Retinol is a vitamin A derivative. You guys that follow the channel know I talk about this incessantly. There is tretinoin, the prescription version, which is very powerful retinoid, all the way down to retinaldehyde. The thing you need to know about retinoids is they help undo some of the sun's damage to your skin, thereby improving some of the DNA duplication of cell process. It helps spur that collagen production over the long term, plumbing out fine lines and wrinkles, and it speeds up cellular turnover, making your skin look fresher and more youthful over time. The thing about retinol is it is not a quick fix. It does work, especially retinol moisturizers. They take time, up to 6 months for you to really see great results, whereas a prescription retinoid like tretinoin is going to work in about a month. However, a lot of people are sensitive to retinols and don't feel they can use them. Bakuchiol is an alternative to retinoid that's tolerated well by a lot of people, especially those with sensitive skin, providing similar benefits over time. And again, I will put links to products like that I would suggest you check out down below in the video description box. And as we talked about vitamin C on the inside, I'm going to talk about vitamin C serum on the outside. It is one of my must-haves in every skincare routine. Applying vitamin C serum has been shown over and over again to help brighten and even the skin's complexion, but more so than that, it really helps provide that extra layer of antioxidant protection against free radical damage and oxidation of your skin cells. So a very important ingredient both inside and out, keeping your skin in an ultimate level of health. The third way to help improve the collagen building process in your face is to take a look at your diet that provides a robust amount of nutrients like vitamin E and C, foods that have an amino acid profile themselves, things like avocados, walnuts, lean meats like chicken, beans, lentils, and leafy green vegetables to make sure that you're getting all the minerals like zinc that you absolutely need for collagen production. That cutting sugar out of your diet can be extremely helpful in this process. Study after study has shown that the glycation of extra sugar in the bloodstream leads to toxicity for your skin cells. It creates havoc with collagen production and it strips your elastin fibers of their elasticity. So a high sugar diet is not conducive to great skin, especially as we age. So anything you can do to reduce high sugary foods, processed foods from your diet is going to benefit you in the short and long term. And then of course, lifestyle choices have a huge impact, especially over the years, for the health of your skin and collagen production. Making sure that you manage your stress levels and take some time outs during the day to reduce the amount of cortisol that you produce, because research has found that high levels of cortisol reduce the amount of collagen production in the body. That's a big problem. That also means getting enough sleep and rest. Again, I know I'm harping on this, something I talk about on the channel a lot. That 6 to 8 hours of sleep is so important. Your body goes through a repair cycle. It's an overnight repair cycle that goes from about 8 o'clock at night till 3 in the morning. You really need that time for your body to repair itself, and especially when it comes to skin, because that is when most of the work your skin does as far as repair, cell regeneration, and collagen production actually occurs. Collagen supplements, topical skincare, nutrient-rich diet, managing your stress, and getting enough sleep all can make a big difference. But the really exciting news is that there is technology here today and on the horizon that is making a huge difference in how skincare works. That's things like radio frequency or RF therapy, red light therapies, EMS, electrical muscle stimulation therapies, all of which I've been testing out here on the channel, and we'll be bringing some reviews on some great, amazing devices for home use that can give you similar benefits to what you would pay hundreds to thousands of dollars for in a salon, spa, or dermatologist office. And for even more specific ways to produce collagen for specific areas, please check out this video coming out next. It's going to help you guys a ton. You're going to get your best skin ever. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting the channel. Love you guys. Stay beautiful, and I will see you over on that next video.